We're back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here, and what we see is a 5-wave move to the upside starting in February, and then a WXY correction for our wave 2 before we blast off for our wave 3. Now remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, so what I'm showing you right here are very minuscule moves in comparison to what XRP is bound to do in 2024. What we see over here is a WXY correction for our wave 2. Now originally we thought that we would have a 5-wave move to the downside. This over here would be your fourth, and then you would have a 5 down here to around 0.53, 0.54 region. However, what we see over here is the possibility of a truncation in the 5th wave, where the wave 5 kind of goes sideways, and then if we pull out our RSI, we do see bullish divergence. So if we go on the 3-hour time frame over here, let me see here. So on the 30-minute time frame, as we were forming this truncation of the 5th wave, what we see over here is higher lows on the indicator, but lower lows on the price. So usually when sellers run out of steam, you form the divergence on the indicator. And then we had the breakout over here, and then we had the back test coming down to the 88.6% fib on the logarithmic scale here. Okay, came down to the 88.6% fib on the log scale, and we broke out of here, back tested it. So there is a possibility that this wave 2 is in, but in order to confirm that, what we must see is a move back above this median over here. This median is sitting right at 0.6118. But more importantly, if we take a fib from this B wave high down to this C wave low, or down to this low, we would want to see a move above the 50, so above 0.61, but more importantly above the 70.2% fib and the 786. Okay, so you want to get over this level to confirm a breakout and to confirm that this wave 2 is in. Okay, so this level right over here, this is what XRP bulls want to get over. They want to first get over this median and then get back above this level to confirm that this wave 2 is in, so we can confirm this larger wave count that I have here, which I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the larger wave count that I have here, going all the way back to 2015. What we see over here is a wave 1, wave 2, explosive wave 3 to the upside, a 3-3-5 Elliott wave flat pattern. Okay, every single wave is accounted for. And in January, when Bitcoin bottomed, we started our impulse to the upside. This was our wave 1. Came down for a WXY correction for our wave 2. Now we're currently within our wave 3. We're also above this wedge over here. We have a golden cross where the 50-day crosses over the 200. We're also above the 21 week. Okay, we're above the or we're just consolidating right under it. So it wouldn't take that much of a push to get back above it. Okay, we've also back tested this wedge 3 times now. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, but yeah, this definitely does look very squeezed. And the fact that we've gotten above this 230 plus day long downtrend is very significant. Okay, so I think it's very important that you must take a look at the macro perspective as much as possible, because I feel like it's very easy to get lost in these small price swings, and it definitely causes a lot of fear and uncertainty. So what we have over here is we're just about to do our wave 3. This is just a prediction of what I think wave 3 is going to do. Then we have our wave 4 and then our wave 5 into double digits. Now, these targets are subject to change. I make changes to the roadmap a lot, but I won't be updating it on YouTube. So click the link in the description below to join the Discord. You get access to over 300 plus charts, a community, the ability to ask me any questions you want in real time. And yeah, so definitely click that link to get XRP updates and targets. But yeah, this is what I see with XRP. It's just accumulation at the bottom here. Now, remember, what we see in crypto is what we were seeing in crypto is our first initial move. Okay, then you had your ABC correction. Now I'm showing you the XRP structure going back to 2015. Okay. We had the creation of your coin, founders sell at the extension, move back down to demand zone, and then we start our initial leg to the upside. Then we have a correction, which lasted over 2,200 days. This was your A wave, this was your B wave, and this was your C wave. We had a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, and a 5-wave move to the downside. Then after having this ABC correction, you have over 600 days of accumulation. And this is exactly what we see with XRP. And we can map out every single move here in this accumulation. And what it's showing us is that after this accumulation is finished, you're going to have a continuation of this trend, targeting liquidity above these highs. So if we were to take a look at the Wyckoff perspective, we could say that this over here is your selling climax. You have your automatic rally here, your secondary test of the lows, your failed breakout, secondary test in phase B going below this psychological support, which causes a short squeeze to the top of the range here, a move back down to mid-range, price gets squeezed into your sign of strength right when Ripple wins the lawsuit against the SEC, and then you have a backup phase lasting over 230 days. Now we're above this trend line. We're above this downtrend, so that's very telling on what the price is doing. So we have a trend shift on the high time frame. I just want to make you aware of that. So once your sign of strength phase comes in, your backup phase, and your backup phase completes, you enter into what's called phase E. Phase E, you target liquidity above your last all-time high, and the wave count supports that, right? So this is the XRP analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.